Okay. We're letting it go.
16-pound buck.
Nice big buck. All right. Nice buck. Not real heavy, but real long. Almost filled the bottom of the ice chest. Probably 35 and a half inch plus. Hit on a Mylar purple and black and gray fly right off Pilot Point. There he goes.